This is the assembly video for the New Yorker Fat Tire e-bike from Daymak. First, using scissors or box cutters, cut the straps around the box. Pry the top of the box and then cut the front of the box to open it. Cut the zip ties around the front of the tire and put the tire aside. Pull the rest of the bike out and kick the kickstand down so that it can stand up by itself. Cut all the tape and remove all the pieces of styrofoam from the e-bike. Slide the seat post into the frame of the bike and then tighten it using the quick release latch. Make sure to twist the screw part until it starts to get tight, adjust the seat to the proper height, and then clamp the latch. Cut the zip ties that will hold the keys and put them aside. Lift the lower part of the handlebar upright and grabbing the latch here, clamp it into place. Slide the top of the handlebar into the top of the stem and clamp it shut as you did with the seat post. Next, carefully lift the unit so that it is sitting upside down. Using a wrench, unscrew the nut on the front shocks until it is loose and then remove the bar. Take the plastic caps off the front tire and lightly unscrew the nuts to give it some separation. Slide the front tire in between the forks, making sure that the nuts on either side go around the forks and the brake disc goes inside the brake caliper. Then screw the nuts back on, making sure that the washer edge goes into the hole on both sides, then tighten it with a wrench. Next, flip the New Yorker Fat Tire e-bike right side up. On the pedals, you will notice an L and R written on them as seen here. This represents left and right respectively. Screw the right pedal into the right pedal arm and vice versa, and then tighten them with an Allen key from behind the pedal arm. After, unscrew the bolt that is on the front forks. Take the front headlight and put it through the bolt, then put the bolt through the forks, and then lastly put the fender through the bolt, closing it with a nut. Once all connected, use a wrench and an Allen key to tighten it. Take the reflector and using a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the screw from the nut on the other side. Spread the band of the reflector around the seat post and put the screw back in and screw it into the nut. To install the Daymak Bluetooth MP3, radio, and hands-free phone device, first unscrew the top on the mounting bracket. Remove the screw and stretch the mounting bracket over the handlebars. Put the screw back through it and then tighten it with the top cover. Position the mount so that the mount is perpendicular with the handlebars. Finally, unscrew the cap on the front and rear tires and using a bicycle pump, fill the air until they're about 30 psi. Now your New Yorker Fat Tire is ready to go. Happy riding!